So what's up guys, it's Fadi lectoz here again, your boy, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online with a social media. Okay, now that I am here on my Jamboard, I'm going to show you exactly what I am talking about. You are already in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and so many other social media accounts, and you are posting and you're getting engagements, and still yet you are not making money. So let's say you are here, okay? This is you here, and this is Facebook. This is Facebook here, Instagram, and we have got Twitter here. And you as a person, okay, you are already engaged in all this. You are already engaged in all this, guys. Okay, so the reason why I am creating this video is because this website that I'm going to show you is very powerful, and you are going to do the same things you have been doing on Facebook, Instagram, and in Twitter and so many other social media accounts. So guys, I will clear my Jamboard and I will get into the video. And before I get into the video, guys, I want you to know that my name is Fadi lectoz, if you haven't yet heard my name. And what I usually do in this channel is that I work out things here, and when they work out for me and I get result or not, I come here, I create videos, tutorials to help you get updated with what is working and what is not working, guys. So if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click at the notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video you will get notified from YouTube telling you that Fadi has just uploaded a new video. That will make you to be that kind of a person who get information very fast and apply it before many other people use it. So with that said, I don't have so much to say. Let's dive into the video and let's get started. I'm going to show you straight away what the website looks like. And as you can see, guys, if I come to this website here, as you can see here, it's just the same as other social media accounts. As you can see, I will leave the link in the description box below so that you can use it to sign up. And as you can see here, guys, I have got so many notifications here. There are people who are posting, as you can see here, and people are sending me friend requests, as you can see here in my connection, and I'm getting notifications here. And this is my reward center, as you can see here. Okay, this website is called Webtalk. No, stick until to the end of video. Now that you have known the name of the website, this does not mean that now you just go directly and start to sign up. Okay, I'm going to show you so many important things within this website that is going to maximize your earnings, and so that you are going to be able to make so much money. If I come here to my menu, as you can see here, and I come into my reward center, you can see that I am still in level 1. And as you can see, this is a social media website. Okay, I will show you my posts which I've been posting, and each and every time I usually get bonuses, as you can see here. You can also invite new rewards members and earn $5 bonus per referral, which is very powerful. And remember that after you have signed up, you will be able to get your link. This is something different from any other social media accounts. Okay, you will never ever get your referral link in order for you to be able to make money online. So as you can see here, this is my account, and you can see that there are premium services around this website. There are so many things that are inside this website. If I come back here into my dashboard, as you can see here, and I click on my rewards, you can as well see that this month I have not been active on this website, but I was shocked up when I logged in just this day and I found out that I have got referrals, and I have already also made some commissions here in this website, which made me to think that it is very, very good for me to be able to share this with you. Okay, so if I click here on my referrals, you can see I have got already 8 members. Okay, and these are all the people that I have here. Okay, now the best thing with this website is that you can make recurring commission each and every month. Okay, when people whom you have invited in this website upgrades, you will always be getting paid. So as you can see here, if I come here into my income calculator, and let's calculate this together before I get into my posts, so that I may show you exactly what you are supposed to do in this website. If I come here, and as you can see there here, your Webtalk referrals, okay, Webtalk followers, advertiser values. Let's say, for example, you have got you are getting people from North America, people who are big spenders, or maybe you just choose, you know where you belong, you know the kind of the people whom you will be able to invite here. It doesn't matter. Okay, if you are in Africa, you can still use use this. As you can see here, Europe, Middle East and Africa, low spenders, you can still, if you are inviting people, you can use this to calculate your earnings. So in this, I will come here and click North America, and for example, as you can see here, maybe you are posting and your contents are getting like 1,000 views every month, and this is what shall be happening. This is the estimated amount of money you will be getting annually through ad rewards. Okay, and remember that advertising is not the same, so it will vary per individual. Okay, as you can see, they are saying here, if you read here, you will get this very, very well. And if you come here below here, you will see your referral rewards calculator. You can calculate, for example, let's say you have got maybe 100 referrals. Let's say you have got 100 referrals, and then these 100 referrals bring their indirect bring their referrals, which are your indirect referrals. Okay, so let's say maybe they bring like 30 each of them bring like 30, okay, let's, it not saying 30, let's go and maximize. Let's say maybe let's go with 10. Maybe they bring like 10, and then let's not add this, let's just leave it this way. It does not mean that this is what they will be getting. Okay, maybe in their monthly ad revenue average per member, maybe they are getting $1, and monthly subscription of their members, average per members is paying $2. That is monthly subscription. Other monthly revenue average per members, maybe it's $1. So if we calculate all these, you will see that 2 plus $1 plus this $1, that is equal to $4, as you can see here. So $4 per member times these members, because remember, when you share your link and other of their referrals also continue to share over and over and over, because each and everyone wants to make money. Okay, so you times by this. So and direct referrals plus this indirect referrals, this, remember, these are your referrals, and in your referral, each of them invited other people, which bring us to this result. So your average commission might be like your monthly 10% commission, because as you can see, they are saying they will pay you 10% commission. So this should be your estimated. So you can make up to $533,000 every month using this website. And guys, remember, this is something that has been here, and this is something that is working. Many people are getting paid. If you go on YouTube and search for reviews about this, you will see that it is paying, guys. So if I come here into my website, okay, if I come here into my website and let me go back to my Webtalk. Now that I have, if I come here and click at the rewards, as you can see, you will be getting points, and then when you get enough points, you will be able also to redeem them. And when people purchase things in this website, you will always get your commissions. If I come here and click at my notification, I've not been logging in here. So as you can see, they are showing me Vita, this person and 5 other are now following me. As you can see here, it's just a very, very good social website like any other people. Someone has sent me a friend request. So if I go back to my Webtalk account, as you can see here, you can come here and create a post. Okay, you can upload photos, you can upload videos, you can upload files, okay, PDF and so many other types of file in this website. So what you are going to do, as you can see here, if you want to sign up, let me show you what it's going to be like signing up. The link is in the description box below. You will just come here, and when you click at the link in the description box below, it will bring you on this landing page. Okay, and when it brings you on this landing page, signing up is very, very easy. As you can see here, that's my link. Okay, as you can see, this is what you are going to see. And just with a quick recap, you can see that Webtalk is the world's first all-in-one relationship management platform that pays you real cash for your engagement. You can now join free and experience the future of networking before it is departed to the world, which I recommend. This website is just like, remember when Facebook came, those back end, people did not know it. The people who started to use Facebook, if you look at them now, they are the most people who have got so many likes, so many visitors. They have got so many engagements on their post, and they are getting so many fans, as you can see here. So guys, there was not so much to show you in this website, but let me show you guys that this is very, very real, and this is very, very working. If I come here to payments, as you can see here, you can see that I already made $5, and with this website, the minimum payout which they can pay you is $100. Okay, so, and they will pay you through Stripe, they will pay you also through Pioneer. As you can see here, they can also pay you through PayPal, but I usually use Pioneer. I still have also PayPal, but for this I prefer Pioneer, guys. So up to this far, guys, I believe that you have seen this website, how it is. And the most important thing is that when you have created your account, just come here, get referrals. Okay, when you come here at get referral, you will come here and you will see your link here, and then you copy your link. And when you copy your link, you can go and share with your friends, share with your family, share with each and everyone, and tell those people to share so that they can get a good service from this website. And each and every day when you log into this website, they will always give you 10 points. Okay, so guys, I'm very happy if you've been with me until to the end of this video. Okay, I'm very, very grateful and very, very thankful. As you can see, it's a very, very good website. People are posting, people are engaging, and if you take this very early and push it ahead, I guarantee you, you are going to be very happiest man in the world. Before this website has gone viral to many people, stick to it, get it, use it, and maximize your earnings. So I'm very happy you've been here, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys. I'm very grateful. See you in the next video.